Hello Amazon, and today I want to show you this 2400 watt silent generator. It's very easy to carry. It's got a handle here at the top, and I've already placed the oil in and some fuel, so we're going to go ahead and give it a quick demonstration. And I'm actually going to do this one-handed. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn it on, which allows some air fuel mixture. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to turn the choke to run, and actually to start. So now it's over at start, and then I'll turn it to run once it's running. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a pull. Again, one-handed. Now I'm gonna turn it to run. It's currently on eco mode, and you can see it's showing the voltage. And the green light is fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the 120 volt with this battery charger. Now you can see I'm drawing some voltage, and it comes with this adapter, so I can actually charge my battery here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can see I've got a light on the plug. Lift it up. Place it in. So now I'm charging that. Then I have a phone. And so what I'm going to do for the phone is use a USB cord. Click this up here. This is my USB ports. Now I will plug my phone into the cord here. Charge. So I'm doing the phone, the AC adapter, and my battery all from this device. And I can turn the eco mode off. And that's great for doing those high draw power situations.